everyone, this is Tieko Beauty. Welcome to Tieko Beauty, where you get hair tips that you can use. You guys, it's not even funny right now. I literally have to go somewhere in about, let's say 30 minutes and my hair is not done. So I had wig braids on and I was wearing my wigs, and I was like, you know what? I just want my hair pulled back. So I took out the braids and oh my gosh, I'm having such a I hope that this style works out, because my hair is just acting up today. Like seriously, it's acting so up. The goal is to braid here, okay? Braid this little bit right over here, and then I'm going to gel it back, and then I'm going to use one of my Tieko Yaki Kinky Straight hair, right, as the ponytail. I already parted my hair already, so let me show you. So it was this little bit right over here that I parted. You know what? I'm gonna braid a big one, and then I'm gonna braid a little one, just because it kind of gives it a little bit more style. So I'm gonna use the Shine Jam on my hair. Always part off your hair. I'm also going to use Jam Extra Hold on my hair as well. I don't know, my hair, when I'm braiding my hair, I always have to use like 2 jams. Like I can't use the same of each, like the same one. I'm looking for my comb, it is in my hair. Lord. I'm very careful with my edges because I do not want them to mess up. They're finally growing in, so I'm very kind to them. I do not braid tight with my edges at all. So my original goal was to braid everything up and then do the ponytail, but I'm telling y'all, like, my hair today was saying no. I would try to grab the back and it just wasn't working at all. So we're just gonna, okay, I like this. Now I'm gonna braid just a little braid. Be very light with your hands as you're braiding. And sometimes you have to comb out your hair too. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out my hair, and now I'm gonna gel everything up. This is like a complete different style from what I was aiming for. It's like so funny. Okay. Let me comb it out. I'm using Eco Style. I'm gonna use an elastic rubber band because when I use like thread as normal, I feel like my head hurts me more, so I won't do that today. I'll probably wear this style for about 2 days or something. I'm gonna begin to sew this on my hair. I'm just gonna tie it. I'm just gonna sew it like once, or maybe a little bit. I won't sew it too much because when I sew this, my head starts to hurt. So I'm not gonna sew too much. This part is done. I'm gonna clip this one off to the side here. And now I'm gonna concentrate more on getting these sides down. I'm gonna use the Got To Be glue gel. A whole lot of it. And see, this one is the one that really can get my hair in control, because a lot of it doesn't do anything to my hair. But this gel here, it gets it done. Yeah. Okay, so when this joint is done, you gotta work super fast because gravity don't play. So I'm gonna put this on here. I wish I had an actual scarf, because an actual scarf works better. I am now almost done. I'm now doing the curls at the top. I didn't sit in the dryer for 30 minutes. Actually, I stayed in there for 15 minutes. Okay guys, like I'm just curling the top right now, curling the ponytail. I'm just wrapping it around the rod right now, honestly. And then I'm gonna use my shining mist. I'm gonna use this spray. It gives shine and volume for the ponytail. And it's gonna get real nice and big. So I'm gonna use that. And then that should be good. So I'm done with it like this. Take off my hair. Ah, yes. Okay. It worked for now. It's like, not for now though. So I'm gonna take a little bit of hair like this, and then I'm actually gonna wrap it around. Then pin it at the back. And then I'm good. I'm gonna get this comb and then comb it out like this. Can you guys see it? Oh yeah. And usually I like to wear my hair over here like this, honestly. Hope that you guys like it and enjoyed this hair tutorial. And this is the finished look of my hair. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Peace. Now also please like and subscribe if you like this hair tutorial, and if you want more hair tips from Tieko Beauty. Yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. God bless you all. Mwah. Bye.